Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Leo in CA. Do you know that ICAI is conducting online workshops to CA students on artificial intelligence? Enroll today with ICAI Aura by just paying rupees 100 and enhance your profile by adding this AI certificate. This video is all about ICAI Aura Online Workshop, AI for CA students, complete registration process and certificate guide. So, if you want to learn about artificial intelligence and get an official certificate from the ICAI, then this workshop is for you. Don't miss the opportunity. Search for ICAI Aura Online in the ICAI Digital Learning Hub. Log in using your student service portal credentials. This is the login page. Once you log in with your credentials, you will be able to see the modules. The modules consist of Introduction to AI in finance and accounting, AI in auditing and taxation, productive enhancement tools, data visualization and reporting, AI in presentation, and AI to enhance. By completing all the modules, learn AI concepts carefully, attend the assessment after completion of all the modules for 10 marks, submit your feedback on the classes, and then you are able to download your certificate. After completing all the steps, you will receive your ICAI Aura certificate, which looks like this. This is my certificate. I have completed my AI for CA students ICAI Aura online workshop for CA students. Thanks for watching.